Good morning. We've got low clouds here in Fargo, but quiet conditions for the moment to start off. We had just a couple of moments of either snow or snow pellets, even a little sleet yesterday in Fargo. Nowhere near what we experienced up north, but today that could be changing. We'll be more in the bullseye for some snow in the southern end of the valley, and that's where we have a winter weather advisory. This is now through the morning hours and even into most of the afternoon and early evening. We're under that advisory, including James River Valley, southeastern North Dakota, back over into Lakes Country and up through Bemidji. Places that got hit so hard yesterday get a nice break here. Just got a report from East Grand Forks. A foot of snow fell in East Grand Forks. That was the latest measurement there. So heavy snow in the Grand Forks metro. So here's a look at our radar. We're looking at snow again building into the southern valley. It's working its way in now this morning. Northern valley still looking pretty quiet with mostly cloudy skies. We'll zoom in here a little bit more to show you where we see these medium to deeper colored blues. That's where we're looking at some snow. Elbow Lake down through Wheaton and down to Sisseton. Another band trying to get going here north of Breckenridge, maybe around the Abercrombie area up toward Barnesville and back through Lidgerwood and Gwinner and back over to Oaks there too. Fargo's right on the edge of this right now, so we're not really seeing much of anything at the moment. As we expand the view, our next system, the low, is working its way up to the north Andes. It will mainly pass to our south, but we'll be on the northern end of it here in the southern valley, and that's where we'll see that snow chance. And of course, we've already got that going on here this morning. Visibility also down due to fog. We've got visibility at 0 in Langdon and in Carrington, so trouble there. A quarter mile as well in Devil's Lake, and we're less than a mile in Valley City, down to less than 2 in Cooperstown and in Oaks and down toward Aberdeen. So our western viewing area, not only will we see snow perhaps in the James River Valley, but we also have fog we're contending with this morning. Not so bad the rest of us here for visibility right now, but of course once that snow builds in, that will be reduced. Wind is light. We're looking at wind speeds out of the south and less than 10 miles per hour. Temperatures are right at freezing or below, so we'll get some accumulation this morning as that's falling, but those temperatures will be rising. We'll see them climbing above the freezing mark here as we move into the afternoon hours. Around noon, we're already above freezing in a couple of places, and that's when we'll be seeing that snow ongoing in places like Fargo and back over to the east, where we can expect to see some heavier snow in our southeastern viewing area. By 4 o'clock, still getting some of those snow showers. Temperatures, again, a few degrees above freezing, so we're looking at some slushy conditions potentially with us warming up that much in those areas, but right around the freezing mark in other spots too. So just another mess for those of us in the southern valley this time today. Getting into this evening, we'll start to see this dwindle. We'll see those snow showers little by little ending, and we'll see eventually some clearing skies happening for us tonight. So that moves on. We're quieting down for the morning hours tomorrow, and we've got a great day ahead actually tomorrow, so just have to get through today. Sunshine returns. We're looking at some mild conditions too. By noon, well above freezing, and we get into those low, even mid-40s for a good portion of the valley with sunny skies too. And March sunshine nice and strong this time of year to help melt some things out there, some ice and some snow. Here's a look at our snowfall potential. Again, better bets will be for the heavier snow will be in Lakes Country, that 3 to 6 inch range. Fargo more into 1 to 3, and lesser amounts or maybe nothing at all beyond that. And your photo today, of course, that big snow up in the Grand Cities. Thanks, Alec, for sharing that. And through Wednesday, we will see another round of snow and perhaps rain mixed in there, a break on Thursday, and then more on Good Friday and as we get into the holiday weekend. So looking at an active pattern here as we're trying to make that transition from winter to spring. Up and down temperatures, and not terrible, but it does look to be a little bit cold on Easter.
Okay, thank you, Lisa. Still ahead here on the Valley today, some changes that could impact drone delivery.